Welcome everyone. If you don't want to see this on your dash cam, let me show you guys in this video where I put my dash cam so you don't get this issue because the wiper blade on the passenger side is quite short. So where is the perfect placement? So I was putting it here, but the wiper doesn't clean, so you can see the wiper doesn't clean, and here it goes all the way to the top actually. So it goes all the way here, so up to here. So I can probably put the camera here, or well, you can't put it here because the sensor goes here. So there's the sensor, you can't block this. But I could try putting it here in this area. So that needs to come off. It's on a anti-static one, like static. So yeah, just didn't know about this because the wiper is short, so there is a clean line. Let me do that. So this was the location that I chose for my dash cam, and it kind of works okay. It doesn't block the like the lights, the stop lights, the street signs, because if you put it on the passenger, if you put it on the driver's side, on the left side, it might block your vision for traffic lights, signs, and whatnot. Plus, it's always in your face kind of thing, so kind of annoying. So I went with the passenger side, like on the right side at this location itself, which is working out okay for me. I will try to post some more videos in terms of the dash cam driving, or the dash cam videos of the driving, to see what it looks like. This is the front side. The back dash cam, I'm still trying to figure that out yet. So if you guys have comments, suggestions, please do post comments and suggestions below, like where you put your dash cam. I haven't done any wire management or cabling yet. That's probably for summer because it is still too cold to kind of spend the time on doing the cable management to tuck them away. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please do post comments and questions if you have any, and any ideas in terms of what I should be doing for the next few videos, what you like to see. And do hit the subscribe button guys, so much, it is much appreciated. Take care guys.